Forms are one of the crucial aspects of websites. We sign up users, login users, get their feedbacks, entry data with forms. So it is very important to clearly understand the form tag and the process how we work with forms. So let me write the form tag is a paid tag and it is a block level tag also. It has an attribute which is action. Here we give a path of another page where the data of the form would be sent for processing. So let me create another file. Click on this icon. The name would be, let's say, content.html. Let me close the file menu, and here let's create a basic structure of HTML file with the VS Code shortcut. And here I'm gonna write the content, which is this is content page. Save the file. Let me close this. So whenever someone submits the form, it will go to a page that's path available in the action attribute. So let's write the path of our content.html file. So whenever the user submits the form, it will go to this file with the form data. We can give here another files like PHP or ASP files. We can give another attribute to the form tag, and that is the name attribute. So we are gonna give a name to this form, and this name is very important because we are gonna access the data of this form or access this form in this file by this name. So let's say the name of the form is sign up data form. So you can see the first words, every letter is in small letter. The second word has its first letter in capital letter and other letters in small letter. The third letter also has the first letter in capital letter and other letters in small letter. This is called camel case notation. So in camel case notation, the first words, every character is in small letters. Then every word has their first letter in capital letter and rest of the letters in small letter, and there is no spaces in between the words. And we have another important attribute with respect to this form tag, which is method. So there are two main methods to send the data of the form to the server. So one is get and another one is post. So let's stick with the get method for this moment. So let's recap that we use this form tag to create forms in our web pages. With the help of forms, we sign up, sign in users, make data entry systems, we get users feedback, etc, etc. And this form tag has an attribute which is action, and here we give a path of a file where the form data will be sent, and we give a name to this form. With the help of the name attribute, we can access the form in other languages like JavaScript, PHP, etc. And we have the method attribute, in which method the data will be sent. We can specify that in this attribute. So there is more to learn about the form tag. That's all for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one with more details, because we have wrote some codes but there is no visible output to the page. These are just under the hood concepts of form and how it will work, but we haven't created the form. We have to create them, and we will do that in the next one.